So we're going to be multiplying these two rational expressions. So the very first thing you need to do is look for any polynomials that can be factored. So this could be factored by GCF. They have a common factor. This could be factored by GCF. And this could be factored by difference of squares. So I'm going to rewrite my original expression here. So for 3k plus 15, 3 divides both of those. So 3 is going to go on the outside, and I would have k plus 5 left over. And then the denominator, k minus 5, that can't be factored, so we're leaving that as is. The next numerator, k squared minus 25, is the difference of squares. So you open up double parentheses, alternate the signs. One's a plus, one's a minus. K squared splits as k times k, and 25 splits as 5 times 5. And lastly, my denominator, 15 divides both of those, so I'm pulling out a 15, and what's left inside is k plus 5. Now that I have everything factored, I'm going to look for any factors that are alike in the numerator and denominator. So for instance, k plus 5 and k plus 5 could be crossed out. One's in the numerator, one's in the denominator, because that simplifies as just 1. I also notice that I have a k minus 5 in the numerator, and this is a k minus 5 in the denominator. So those can cross out. I also notice that I can reduce 3/15, right? So I could divide this by 3 and divide this by 3. So if I divide 3 and 3, you get 1. And if I divide 15 and 3, I get 5. So let's take a look at what we have left in the numerator. We have a 1, and we have this k plus 5. And in the denominator, I just have a 5 left over. So now I need to multiply straight across. So 1 times k plus 5 is just k plus 5. In my denominator, I just have 1 times 5, which is 5. So this would be my simplified answer.